Welcome to C9's Dash Notify online tutorials. In this lesson, we're going to show you how templates work. With templates, you don't have to worry about crafting individual messages for each campaign. Instead, you can save time and money without sacrificing personalization by using preset templates and custom fields. To get started, log into your account. Once logged in, go to the Templates option in your main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. All of your current templates should appear. Each template should show the name, date created, message of content, if Unicode is used, and the fragment number. You can search for specific templates using the search bar, or sort them by title or date created. Using the AZ button, you can even sort them into alphabetical order. To delete or edit a template, click the corresponding buttons on each template. To create a new template, click the plus Create Template button located in the upper right-hand corner. Input your template name and message content. Use custom contact fields by tagging them with curly brackets. Click the Attached File button to attach files and other multimedia content. If you include an attachment, you'll be given the option of adding a subject line to your template. Click Cancel to discard the template or Save to save your new template for future use. Congratulations, you've just created your first template. We can't wait to see what you build next. What do you think are some great uses for templates? Let us know in the comments below. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how number management works. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.